Hello guys, welcome again. We are on the fourth video of CRUD application series, and now in this video we are going to learn how we can update the information. You see the 1 2 3 3 IDs available, and if we want to update any information on the basis of ID, so how we can do, we will learn here. So whenever user click on the update button, then I am here getting the result also. So I say result and I say error, I say db.exec, here I say update we student I think, and I say set name equal to question mark, and we say course, and I say comma course equal to question mark, where sid equal to question mark. There I have to send the information. So once again I have to convert the string to numerical format, so I take it from here, conversion, copy this one, and here I say convert in sid, and I am passing the first value would be student dot name, second value student dot course, third value sid. Like this we have update student, set name equal to this, course equal to this. I think syntax is okay. We will see if there is error. Then I say if error not equal to null, then I will display the same message that I display on the error here. Okay, else here if result dot row affected, if row affected, that will return some value and error. So I say that value and no need of error equal to result dot row affected, and I say if value is there, if value is greater than 0, I think error row affected, I can do anything, I just say error. Okay, and here I check if error not equal to null, so that means there is an error. So we can pass information here like this, and we pass here information that record not updated. Okay, and else if there, then we say record updated, like this. I save it. I think I done it. So I just run once again, close it, run once again, and try to see. And I run once again. I say read record if information available. I want to update the ID 2. In place of Sachin, I want to say Sachin Kumar, and okay, I'm not going to insert here. I'm going to say Sachin Kumar, and I say in place of M tag, I say it is B tag. I click on update, and you say record updated, but 2 time is coming. So once again I have to remove this one because this is extra one. Remove it, save it, and once again I close this one and I run once again, and I will show you that record is updated. If I run it once again and I read the record, you see it was M tech, it B tech. Again I can convert. I say B Sachin Kumar, qualification should be M tech. I click on update, you see record updated. If I click on read, so record is updated. If Ankit Verma, I want to convert 3 record, so I can say Ankit Verma and I say that is M tech. Like this, I say update, record updated, I say read, so M tech. You see the information is coming, easily updating also. And if I want to insert the 4th record, I can insert one also. I say Ajay Kumar and I say PhD. I say insert, record inserted. I click on read, the one record is also coming. So all 3 are coming. We are going on read. Now finally we are on delete. So delete we will see in the last video, in the next video when I will do. So if you learn anything from this video, if really you are learning the how to make a CRUD application in Go languages, so kindly do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm waiting for next video also. Thank you.